Hey, we're here at the Wetherbee in Science class today working on chemical reactions with 6th graders. Today, students are exploring endothermic chemical reactions.
Today we are doing a lab about comparing temperatures change of citric acid and baking soda chemical reaction.
So a chemical reaction is when you are mixing two substances and it is changing the chemical structure of the substance.
Like sometimes you can do chemical reactions at some things, but sometimes you can't, you know?
We're doing chemical reaction and temperature. So what we're basically doing is we're trying to check the temperature of how low the water goes, how cold it goes.
It started to
Bubble up.
yeah.
I was looking and there was a lot of bubbles that were popping out, and it looked very cold because steam was coming out.
Actually, I did expect it to get colder, harder.
That it would drop at least like 10 degrees.
I expected the temperature to go way lower.
I thought it was gonna be lower than 5.
She thought it was gonna be like the same temperature. She didn't expect it to be cold nor hot.
Our difference is for our first one we had 21.2 as with the citric acid, and with the baking soda it went down to 17.5.
The students have been great today. I think they've had a lot of fun. They're definitely learning a lot. It's definitely one of the most popular labs we do this year.